Hello friends, today I decided to paint this tiny and simple flower. Just now I plucked from my flower pot. When I'm usually going to draw something, I always try to find out some elements which I can draw. So this flower is our today's pen subject. Please watch the complete video, the process how I make the drawing. So let's begin. When you start drawing, always concentrate on the overall structure. Take the measurement with your pencil, the length and width. Divide the element in parts as top, middle and bottom so that your drawing becomes accurate. After finish this drawing, go for coloring. I am going to use watercolor paint. This is wet on wet technique. In this process, we apply the water first and then use the color so that the color can bleed on the paper. This is the first layer. The pigment is very light. Watercolor paint will be always transparent. That is why I am using very light pigment. For beginner, I always suggest take some small elements and start practicing. Do not go for bigger elements so that you cannot complete and become frustrated and lose your interest for painting. I started with the right hand side leaf and completed the first layer. Now I start the second leaf so that the first leaf can get some time to dry. People frequently ask me which paper they should use for watercolor. I can say there are different types of paper are available on the market. Coldpress, hard press, handmade papers. I usually use Coldpress papers. While selecting your paper, always check the GSM like 250, 300, 400. For beginners, you can use 250 GSM with 100% cotton. That will be better for you. My suggestions for beginners, those who wants to learn watercolor painting, please watch the complete video. Watercolor is not so easy to learn like other medium like acrylic and oil. You can rectify on those painting, but you cannot rectify in watercolor once you're done. You have to know the method very well and needs more practice. Now I will increase the value of the pigment and create some depth. I am not using pigment everywhere. If you see the reference, the flower having color variations with light and dark shade. So I am also maintaining the light and dark where required. My painting is almost complete. Hope this tutorial will help you and guide you how to use watercolor, and you can check my other videos in the respective playlist. If you like, I request you to hit the like button, and you can share with your friends, and also you can comment on the comment box, and you can tell me that what type of painting you want to learn from me, so I can try and make a video for you. That's all for today, and thanks for watching.